Hello, you are welcome to this YouTube channel. I know you'll be asking, you that is viewing this video right now, you'll be asking yourself, what is ghostwriting? Why ghostwriting income generator course, GIG? I know that this is not your first time hearing of GIG course or ghostwriting. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to do justice to explain to you why ghostwriting income generator course. Okay, so why ghostwriting income generator course? Because of what? You are going to learn how to make at least $5 to 1,500 or more every single month with just your smartphone. You don't need a laptop for you to get started. Okay, so with this course, you can be able to write yourself into wealth, no doubt. I don't want to waste much of your time, but before we continue, I want you to do something for me. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, then you hit on the bell notification so that you're not going to miss any of my videos. And also subscribe to the channel because you're going to be getting a lot of values from this channel. Okay, so let's go into details. Before I proceed, I want to ask you a question. Do you think it is possible for you to make at least $500 every month? If you think it is possible, then this video is for you. But if you think otherwise, I don't think you need this video. Just go back and continue what you were doing. Okay, so let's look at the specific objective of this video, what you're going to be getting from this video. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to try my possible best to make it short. So we are going to be looking at the powerful high income skill called ghostwriting. This wonderful skill can change your life within months. Doubt me at your own peril. Okay, we are going to be looking at a detailed breakdown of how the entire ghostwriting works, how GIG in particular, ghostwriting income generator course works, so you can get started. Okay, then a very special offer for you to get started with your ghostwriting career and start making money in dollars. Okay, but before we proceed, I know so many people are asking, who am I? I'm just an ordinary teacher, chemistry teacher who loves writing and has been making money from it since 2020. Okay, my name is Okeke Chizoba. I am a teacher and also an entrepreneur, as you can see. My story is very long and I wouldn't want to bore you with it. Okay, so thank you. If you want to search on me more, you can go to my Facebook, although it has been long that I posted on my Facebook. So you can just go there and just get a glimpse of who I am. Okay, so this is what the testimony of people that have gotten this ghostwriting income generator course. This is just a small out of thousands of testimonies in our community. This is David, who got an exclusive contract from the knowledge gotten from this wonderful course. And the other hand is Anonymous. She doesn't want us to make her known. She has gotten a lot of money from this ghostwriting course. She is grateful and thanking the creator of the course. Okay, so I know you'll be asking yourself, what is ghostwriting? People have been talking about this ghostwriting of a thing. Ghostwriting is very simple. It is simply an art for you to write for people and get paid. People that cannot write for themselves. Okay, that's basically what ghostwriting is all about. Okay, I don't want to go into details because I don't want this video to be long. So if you want to learn more, I'm going to tell you what you're going to do. So watch this video to the end because you're going to get value. Okay, so but in this case of ghostwriting income generator course, you are not going to write for ordinary people. You are writing for companies, that is foreign companies. These companies, they need people to write for them because they deal with stories, but they cannot write for themselves. Okay, so they will give you a contract to be writing for them and they pay you monthly. This contract can be an exclusive one or non-exclusive one. Okay, I'm going to explain further. If you don't hear it from me now, you are going to hear it when you get the course. Okay, I believe you know this app. If you don't know this app, I have listed a lot of sites that you can write for in this my previous video. In my previous videos in this my channel, I have listed a lot of apps that you can apply for, and this site is one of them. And this site, in that course called ghostwriting generator course, you are going to be rooted in how you can be able to get contract from this particular site. I know you know how it works. This site here is owned by one of the sites that we will be writing for. It's a perfect example. So let me show you how it works. Okay, this is the app. This is how it works. All these stories are people's stories. Okay, you too can also write for them and your own is going to appear here. So that's how it works. They cannot write for themselves and they are going to pay you. They are going to give you contract and you are going to write for them. So, okay, that's how it works. You write for them and get paid. Okay, I know a lot of people have been asking, how difficult is this business model? This business model is very simple. All these sites pay people to write story for them and in turn charge people to read these stories for them. Okay, you write for them, they will pay you. Then people that are reading the story is also going to pay for them to read the stories. Okay, this means that The more they pay you to write for them, the more they also earn from the stories. Okay, so everybody will now go home satisfied. So if you apply to them in the way this ghostwriting income generator course is going to show you, that's why I'm advising you to get that course. They will give you a contract. This contract means that you will be writing for them in some period of time and you will get paid. A single contract is worth of 1,350 US dollar, okay, which is over 2 million naira or more. And do you know that a lot of people can get more than one contract? That means you'll be making a lot of money monthly, okay? So this is so she got her payment after updating her stories. Okay, as you can see, I just got mine too. Thank you so much for being the reason my life has upgraded. Okay, see the payment there, a 373 US dollar. Okay, and this is a contract. A lot of testimonies that I cannot be able to show you now. Okay, so what I want you to believe that it is a very simple business model that you can be able to learn and start making money from it. Okay, what exactly will you write? That's people's question. We are going to be writing stories, long stories like werewolf, romance, etc. Okay, and I know people will be asking, how will I write? I don't know how to write. Oh, listen very, very carefully. Okay, you can be writing by yourself. After the course teaches you how to write what they want, you will learn how to write from scratch. Yes, the skill writing will be taught in detail, from punctuation to writing POV, that is point of view, a lot more. You will also be introduced to fictional writing and exploring storytelling, where you will use the figment of your imagination to write captivating romance or paranormal stories. Tools, you don't need any wahala, you don't need any paper and pencil for you to get started. Okay, we have Google Docs, Pure Writers app to get you there. Okay, if you cannot write for yourself, there is what we call outsourcing. You can also do outsourcing. Okay, you don't even have to write by yourself. If you are too busy, you can get others to write for you and pay them a small amount after you are paid. Taking into consideration busy people, parents, students with a tight schedule, and above all, people who have not written before and who might not be interested in learning at all, you will be shown how to outsource to find someone else to do the work. Here, you'll be taught how to use certain social apps to get good writers and pay them monthly as you get paid. It's not by month, it's all there. Okay, before we proceed, I will tell you who this course is for. Okay, I will be very, very honest with you, 100% honest with you. This course is not for you if you are a lazy person. If you are lazy and you cannot be able to implement what you learned so far, that means this course is not for you. It is also not for Ponzi greedy people that they want to bring 2,000 and take away 5,000, bring 30,000 and get 300,000. It is not for people like that. Okay, it is not also for people that invest and making money. No, you put your 1,000 naira, and you want in 5 years time it is going to turn into billions of naira. This course is not for you. And also, um if you have a small mindset, that your mindset is not that large enough to carry that everything you touch is going to turn into gold, this course is not for you. Okay, so if you are in these categories, I will advise you to. Okay, so please stop watching. Okay, and leave now. Thank you. But the second part is that this course is also for people that need it. So this is the second part of who is this course for. Okay, this course is for anyone who wants to go full time into writing. If you are someone who recognizes the tremendous advantage that the internet brings to the table, this course is for you. It is also for people who are working at a job but are actively looking for a side hustle they can do part time without quitting their current job. Okay, it's also for people that want to have high income digital skill in this economy. Okay, you know, this is a skill. A lot of us, we pay tailors, fashion designers, hairdressers for them to learn that skills. You can also pay for this course and learn it as a skill. Okay, it's a very, very high paying digital skill in this economy. Trust me, there's no lie. Why should you do this? Because of what? You need to earn in dollars. You know the equivalent of $1 to our naira today. Okay, so that's why you need to do this. And also, you need a high income skill. The prices of things are going higher massively. And another thing is that because you cannot depend on your certificate, me as an example, I graduated, me that is talking to you, I graduated as the best in my department, not just in my degree. I did NCE and at the same time I did degree. I did NCE in FCT Umunze Anambra State, and I did my degree in University of Benin in those states, okay? And I graduated in my department as the best graduating student. If my certificate is doing me favor, I wouldn't have been doing this thing. Okay, so my certificate is not enough. Okay, so that's why I'm doing all these things for me to get more recognized and also make money. Okay, are you ready? What do I need to start? How do I get started? I know you'll be asking that question. Sure, I'm going to put it through. Okay, the tools you need: number one, you need your smartphone. Number two, you also need good internet connection. And number three, you need this wonderful course called Ghostwriting Income Generator Course. That's why I said, why Ghostwriting Income Generator? I asked that question at the beginning. Why Ghostwriting Income Generator Course? I am going to tell you why you should go and get that course. But don't buy it from anybody else. Buy from me, because I'm going to mentor you. I'm going to squeeze you out and give you the best. If you believe in yourself, even if you don't believe in me, believe in yourself. Okay, so here is what you will get from Ghostwriting Income Generator Course, shortened GIG. You're going to be learning the basics of writing, how you can go from a non-writer to a complete professional writer. It is not bragging, it is real. Okay, the Ghostwriting Income Generator Course will also teach you the skill of writing, and you will have it forever. Remember, a skill will always pay you. Okay, this value of basic of writing worth 50,000 naira. Then we have long story writing. The ghostwriting is going to teach you how you can be able to write long story. Okay, the kind of story that all these sites want. Okay, and also in a way that they want it. That is the structure of that story. This value at 100,000 naira. Then the site is going to introduce to you foreign sites that are paying. A lot of them out there are not paying, but this course have brought out 9 foreign sites that can pay you. They will give you a contract and promise that they will pay, and also they will pay you. This course can also introduce to you recognized editors in this website, and also going to direct you on how you can be able to create accounts, verifiable accounts, and also guide you properly. Okay, it's also going to show you the type of story each site is looking for. Like for example, good novel, letter locks, GW reader, iReader, they have their pattern of story. Mega novel, they have their pattern of story they want. So this course is going to open your eyes to the pattern of, or the type of stories that you can apply in each of these sites. Okay, and also at no extra cost, the course is going to give you a direct access to verified co-editors of the most of the sites. Yes, their numbers, their Facebook page is there. Okay, they are also going to direct you on how you can be able to get contracts. All these editors are there. Okay, the value of this is what 100,000 naira. Then the course is going to put you through on how you can be able to create dollar accounts. Okay, you can create, the course is going to teach you how you can create PayPal, Payoneer, Ngipay, domiciliary accounts, and many more. Okay, the value is 30,000 naira. Then we also have a section of Upwork, full detailed section of Upwork. It's going to lead you through with how to create an Upwork account and how to set your accounts so that to be able to be earning. This course alone, people are selling it out there, only Upwork alone, and they are making thousands of money from there. In this ghostwriting, there is a section that teaches how you can be able to make money from Upwork. Are you not seeing that it's reasonable? In this ghostwriting, we have 6 modules and 57 topics that is continually going into upgrading. Okay, then also we have a section of article writing. If you cannot write long story, you can dive into writing articles to known sites. For example, Opera News, Post Now, Livingston Research. This you can be able to earn in naira and also in dollars. Okay, this worth 50,000 naira. Then we are all going to be introduced to support stroke network community, where you have access to the support community on Discord. This community have like-minded authors and co-editors alike, from successful ghostwriters who have made thousands to thousands of dollars, ghostwriters to novice beginners. In all, you will have an atmosphere for learning, motivation, and connection to grow your network and net worth. It is an active, supportive, and growing community. No be mouth, not true. It's worth of what? 30,000 naira. Then this is my bonus for you. Okay, if you are getting this course from me that is talking to you right now, if you don't buy from me, I'm not going to answer you. I'm not going to do that for you. Okay. For now, the bonus I have is for you is that I help my students with the negotiation process with the writers so they get a good deal. Okay, but you're going to work. I'm not going to do the full work for you. You yourself is going to go and look for the writers. I'm going to tell you the platform that you can find reasonable writers, but you are going to do the research for yourself. Get the writer to yourself, then I'm going to tell you how you can be able to negotiate with them and make a good deal. Okay, you're supposed to work. Okay, you have to do some work yourself. This isn't free money. Okay, so you also have post-training mentorship. This will help you to navigate through starting so you can understand and have a smooth process even as a beginner. Here, I attend to all your questions when there is confusion. To tell you the truth, you are going to study your course first. Then if you have any question, I'm going to give you a lot of stories, a lot of story ideas that I have used, and I'm also guide you, give you how to you can be able to write your 5,000 words, booking 5,000 words, and many more. Okay, so I'm going to be introducing to you artificial intelligence. Not only you will write easier, you will also learn how to write better and get your work done faster, save time and write better. You will also be introduced to AI to help you correct misspelled words and to also help you with tenses and plagiarism. Okay, proofreading in a matter of minutes. Okay, you can also monetize and earn legally online through writing. Not only will the skill of writing be taught, but you will also be taught how to monetize it. To achieve this, you will be shown over 9 well-paying, verified, tested, and trusted website that pays in dollars for good captivating stories. Okay, these are more, so much more, will be made available for you as a fully registered member of the community. I would like to also add that this program is constantly undergoing upgrades from version 1 to version 2 to the next. We are in version 2 now. You will always have more for less, value for your money and time, and this is for a lifetime. So you'll be getting all these. All this, the total value is 440,000 naira. Don't shout, don't shout, okay? Don't shout, okay? I'm with you, I'm with you, yeah? So this is the total value of what you'll be getting. But I want you to ask yourself, how much do you think the ghostwriting income generator is worth? A program that teaches you a high income skill called ghostwriting, shows you foreign platform that you can secure exclusive contracts, sets you up to get paid at least 5 to 2,000 US dollar monthly, teach you how to write articles and get paid for it, teach you how to make over 1,000 US dollar monthly on Upwork. How much do you think it's worth? Even though this training would be worth it at 450,000 naira, even at 3,000, even at 200, even at 100, it's all worth it. But the retail price for the ghostwriting income generator is 30,000 naira. That is if you get it today, as it goes up to 50,000 naira very soon. Like when I mean very soon, it is going to be there very soon, because this course was actually initially it was 20,000 naira. Okay, it was 10,000 naira, from 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira, from 10,000 naira is now 30,000 naira. So it's actually going to increase to 50,000 naira very soon, which I don't even know when, but I know that very soon it's going to increase. So I would advise you to get it now. Okay, so this is what people are saying. Our community, GIG community, finally got an exclusive contract. Okay, then this one they finally dropped my February signing bonus. This is the kind of testimony you would like to be receiving. Okay, so the ball is on your court. Cash it if you want. So you have two options. Option one, close your device now and go back to your life as you know it. Two, do something different today and take a chance to transform your life. To make payments, connect with me on WhatsApp and I will direct you. Good luck and see you at the top. Thanks for making the right decision. Bye.